9 effective ways to cleanse and detoxify your lungs naturally. Maintaining healthy lungs is vital for overall well-being as they play a crucial role in oxygenating the blood and expelling toxins from the body. However, due to pollution, smoking, unhealthy diet, and other factors, our lungs can become burdened with toxins over time. Fortunately, there are several natural methods to cleanse and detoxify the lungs, promoting better respiratory health and vitality. In this article, we'll explore 9 effective ways to cleanse and detoxify your lungs naturally. Number 1. Quit smoking. Smoking is one of the most detrimental habits for lung health. The toxins present in cigarette smoke can damage the lungs and increase the risk of various respiratory disorders, including lung cancer and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. Quitting smoking is the single most important step towards lung detoxification and overall health improvement. Number 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water is essential for maintaining healthy lungs. Water helps to keep the mucous membranes in the respiratory tract moist, facilitating the expulsion of toxins and irritants from the lungs. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day to support optimal lung function and detoxification. Number 3. Practice deep breathing exercises. Deep breathing exercises can help to expand the lung capacity and improve respiratory function. Techniques such as diaphragmatic breathing, pursed lip breathing, and belly breathing can help to clear out stagnant air from the lungs and promote the removal of toxins. Incorporate deep breathing exercises into your daily routine to support lung health and detoxification. Number 4. Consume antioxidant-rich foods. Antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting the lungs from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. Include plenty of antioxidant-rich foods in your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and green tea. These foods help to neutralize harmful free radicals and support the body's natural detoxification processes. Number 5. Herbal teas. Certain herbal teas possess expectorant and decongestant properties, making them beneficial for lung health and detoxification. Herbal teas such as peppermint, ginger, eucalyptus, and licorice root can help to loosen phlegm, soothe respiratory inflammation, and promote the expulsion of toxins from the lungs. Enjoy a cup of herbal tea daily to support lung detoxification. Number 6. Regular exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity is essential for promoting lung health and detoxification. Exercise helps to improve blood circulation, strengthen respiratory muscles, and enhance lung capacity. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week to support optimal lung function and detoxification. Number 7. Steam therapy. Steam therapy can help to loosen congestion, open up the airways, and promote the expulsion of toxins from the lungs. Take a hot shower or inhale steam from a bowl of hot water infused with essential oils such as eucalyptus or tea tree oil. Steam inhalation can help to alleviate respiratory symptoms and support lung detoxification. Number 8. Avoid environmental toxins. Minimize exposure to environmental pollutants and toxins that can harm lung health. Avoid spending time in areas with high levels of air pollution, cigarette smoke, or industrial fumes. Use natural cleaning products and air purifiers to reduce indoor air pollution and create a cleaner environment for your lungs to detoxify. Number 9. Get sufficient sleep. Quality sleep is essential for overall health, including lung detoxification. During sleep, the body undergoes repair and regeneration processes, including the removal of toxins from the lungs. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep per night to support optimal lung health and detoxification. Maintaining healthy lungs is essential for overall well-being and vitality. By incorporating these natural methods into your lifestyle, you can support lung detoxification and promote respiratory health. Quitting smoking, staying hydrated, practicing deep breathing exercises, consuming antioxidant-rich foods, and incorporating herbal teas and steam therapy into your routine can help to cleanse and detoxify your lungs naturally. Additionally, regular exercise, avoiding environmental toxins, and getting sufficient sleep are crucial steps towards optimal lung health. Prioritize these habits to support your lungs in functioning at their best and promote longevity and vitality.